Let's move sun visors to the sides, and for better access. And we do have a rear view mirror here, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to give it a good pull and it should come off no problem. Yeah, we do have a mirror surround black plastic, but we don't need to be worried about that. It will come off probably. So what I'm going to grab it, yeah, and I'm going to give a good pull. So are you ready? Yeah. Okay, it came off. Now I said the plastic came off too, and what we have here, you can see. Yeah, look. That's how it looks when it's out. Actually, this thing will lock it in here. So yeah, when you want to put it back, then just get your plastic in the place, just like that. This way. Yeah, I'm not sure I might be able to do that with one hand. See? Just like that, and just press it in. I don't know with one hand, I'm going to try it. Oh yeah, I did it. See? Just like that.